Hi, hello children. A pleasant, very good morning to all. This is Margavi. I hope you are safe. Or you stay home and stay safe. I think a lot of enjoyed in holidays. Yes, children. Okay. Today onwards, I am taking the math classes paper 2. Okay, this online classes, listen carefully. If you have any doubt regarding the subject, we should contact me and clarify the doubts. Today we discuss the new topic, similar triangle. Similar triangle. So first we learn any new chapter. First of all, we learn in the chapter meaning. We learn the chapter meaning. Similar. Similar means same. Similar means same. Triangle means triangle, three angles. Same three angles. It is similar triangle means is same three angles. It means of how many angles are in triangle? Three angles. So each angle is the same. For example, each angle is same means equilateral triangle. So each angle is 60 degrees. Did you understand that? Okay, children. Already we learned in the previous classes on this topic, similar triangles. 7th class, 8th and 9th classes. Congruence of triangles, exploring geometrical figures, triangles. These chapters to related in 10th class, similar triangles. Okay, children. So in the similar triangles, concepts are there. I write here already. So I would like to explain the major concepts in similar triangles. Major concepts. So here similar figures. First concept is similar figures, congruent figures, similar triangles, squares and circles, basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem, criteria for similarity of triangles, angle criteria, side criterion, side angle criterion. These three criterions already we learned in the 9th class, children. Only statements are we learned in the 9th class. In this 10th class is the proofs also is there. So next one, area of similar triangles. Area of similar triangles. Next, Pythagoras theorem or Bodleian theorem. Pythagoras theorem or Bodleian theorem. Totally in this chapter based on the congruency and similarity. So in this chapter, similar triangles are based on the congruency and similarity. Okay, children? Okay. First concept is the similar figures. Two figures having the same shape but are not necessary of the same size are called the similar figures. Did you understand? If you have any two triangles, shape is the same but are not sizes. Shape is the same but are not sizes. That is called a similar figures. We can find heights and distance using the idea of indirect measurement, which is based on the principle of similarity of figures. The symbol is like this. Is read as is similar to. Read this as is similar to. So I gave some examples of similar figures. See, children, here I draw the square, triangle and circles different sizes. Shapes also same but size is different. Okay, here triangle is the here square is the different sizes and shape is the same. Square here also, triangles also same but size is different. Okay, circles also. So here shape is same but are not same size. Okay, children. Next concept is the congruent figures. Next concept is the congruent figures. Two figures having the same size and same shapes are called congruent figures. Okay, if you have any two triangles, the size and the shape is the same or called a congruent figures. So look here, here squares are to same, triangles are to same, and here also circles also same. So it is called a congruent figures. Okay, did you understand the similar figures and the congruent figures, children? Okay. Next one is rules for similar figures. Rules for similar figures. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. So listen to me. Two triangles are similar. It means of only shape only same, size are different. Okay, here rules corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. Okay, children. So once look at the diagrams, it is I draw A, B, C and D, E, C. Two triangles are there here. Here I draw the clarity the figures here A, B, C and D, E, F. And first rule is the angles are equal. First rule is angles are equal. Angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle ACB equal to angle DCE. So angle C equal to angle C is a common angles. Okay. Then here next sides are in the same ratio or in proportion. Sides are in the same ratio or proportion. DE by AB, DE by AB equal to EC by BC equal to DC by AC. DC by AC. Okay, children, DC by AC. So here triangle ABC similar to triangle DEC. Triangle ABC similar triangle DEC. Okay, children, in the same ratio or in proportion. Sides are corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. Okay. So here DE by AB equal to EC by BC equal to DC by AC equal to K. K is a scale factor. K is a scale factor. It means K greater than 1, K equal to 1 and K less than. We have to take the greater than, less than or equal. Okay. So K greater than 1 is we get enlarged the figures. K equal to 1 congruent figures. You know congruent figures? Sides and angles are same, equal. K less than 1, we get reduced the figure. Okay, children, did you understand the similar figures rules? Here, you don't confuse it. Here, I draw the diagrams of clarity. Each and every diagram of clarity. I given that. Okay. So, here triangle ABC, triangle DEC. I draw the here clarity. Okay, children, did you understand the concept? Similar figures rules. Okay. Next one is the congruent figures rules. Next. Okay. Two figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape and size. The symbol is like this is read as congruent. Okay, children. Did you understand congruent figures? If you have to any two triangles, the size and shape also same, equal. That is called a congruent. Okay. So rules. Corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angles are also equal. Corresponding sides are equal and also corresponding angles are equal. Okay. Here I take the two triangles, triangle ABC and a triangle DEF. Your wish, children. You have to take the PQR or XYZ. Your wish. You have to take the another triangle. Okay. I will take the triangle ABC and triangle DEF. DEF place change to here. Have to take the PQRS XYZ. Anyone. Your wish. Okay. So sides are equal. First corresponding sides are equal. Sides means AB equal to DE, BC equal to EF, AC equal to DF. Okay children, sides are equal. Next, angles also, corresponding angles also equal. Corresponding angles, angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F. Corresponding angles also equal. So therefore, triangle ABC congruency, triangle DEF. It is meaning of congruent. Two triangles are equal. Corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angles are equal. Did you understand the congruent figures rules? Okay. So now the difference between similar figures and congruent figures. What are the difference between similar figures and congruent figures? Similar figures means shape is the same, size are different. Okay, congruent means size, shape both are equal, and similar rules are corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are equal. In this congruent figures rule is corresponding sides are equal and corresponding angles also equal. That is difference between the similar figures and congruent figures. Okay children, did you understand? Okay. So in this chapter, totally in the similar triangle chapter, based on the similarity and congruency, based on the similarity and congruency concepts only. Okay children? Okay. Next, all congruent figures are similar, but this need not be that all similar figures are congruent. Listen carefully. These are important points. All congruent figures are similar, but are not all similar figures are not congruent figures. Okay. A polygon in which all sides and angles are equal is called a regular polygon. All regular polygon having the same number of sides are always similar. It means all squares are, for example, all squares are similar, all equilateral triangles are similar. Okay. Right. Next concept is the basic proportionality theorem, is short form of BPT or Thales theorem. It is a very important theorem. In this chapter, any problem solving is based on the basic proportionality theorem by using basic proportionality theorem. So listen carefully children. First of all, in this any theorem prove that maintenance should be 5 points. Maintenance should be 5 points. What are that? Statement, given that, prove that, construction and proof. These 5 points are maintained. Okay. So listen carefully. Listen to the statement carefully. Then you draw the diagram. Then only draw the diagram. Okay. If a line is the statement, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Listen carefully children. Is a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides or divided the same ratio. It means I have to take the one triangle, then ABC. I have to take the ABC triangle. Then here I draw the if a line is drawn parallel to one side, you have to take the AB, BC or AC. Your wish, you have to take the any side, draw the parallel line. I have to take the BC line, draw the parallel line. DE is a parallel line here. DE is a parallel line. BC is I have to take the BC is a base and D is a parallel line. the other two sides are divided the same ratio. Here divided D. AB is divided the D and AC is intersect the E. Did you understand? Then in the divided in the same ratio, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. That is a statement. Okay children, did you understand? Okay, next given that. Next one, given that in this statement, theorem is the first one statement is completed, first point, second point is the given that. In triangle ABC, DE parallel BC, intersect sides AB at D and AC at E respectively. It means what we write here, given that? Yes, that is a statement based on the statement in triangle ABC, DE parallel BC, intersect sides AB at D and AC at E. That is a based on the statement. Okay, prove that. Here it is also based on the, prove that also based on the statement. The same ratio, the divided in the same ratio, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. So now extra point of construction, what we are draw the extra lines or anything that you write the construction. Join the B to E and C to D. Draw the dotted lines. Once listen, look at the diagram. Construction, join the B to E and C to D and draw the DM perpendicular to AC, EN perpendicular to AB. Then you write the construction. Okay, construction. Next one is the proof. Next one is the proof. Area of triangle ADE equal to half AD into EN. So here you have a doubt. Yes, here actually area of a triangle equal to half into base into height. It is also same. Area of a triangle AD equal to half into base into height. Here ADE triangle, ADE triangle, AD is a base and EN is a height. Okay, then here write area of a triangle equal to half base into height, AD into EN. That is equation number 1. Next one, area of triangle BDE. Here, look here, BDE, like this only. Here, okay. So here base is a BD, and height is a same here. Two intersect lines are intersect here. It is OD parallel to EN. So height is a OD equal to EN. So BD is in BD into half BD into here EN. Okay children. So here write equation number 2. Equation number 2. So equation 1 by 2. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BD equal to half AD into EN by half BD into EN. Half cancel and EN cancel. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE equal to AD by BD. That is equation number 3. Okay children. Next, area of triangle AD. Again you have to take the triangle ADE. Okay, so once look at the diagram, ADE and base is a AE and height is a DM. Height is a DM, ADE. Okay, so on that time is ADE, base is a now here base is a AE and perpendicular line height is a DM. Now here area of a triangle AD equal to half AE into DM. Area of triangle half AE into DM, equation number 4. Next, area of triangle CDE. Once look at the figure CDE. Here also same. Observe that. Here also same. Here like this. It base is a EC. Base is a EC. And here height is a OE. OE is the equality of DM. Same. Okay. Parallel line. DM. So here base is a EC and height is a DM. Here area of triangle CD equal to half into EC into DM, equation number 5. Same equation 4 by 5. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE equal to half AE into DM by half EC into DM. dm cancel, half cancel. Remaining area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE equal to AE by EC. That is a equation 6. That is a equation 6. Okay. So here area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE, it means of equation 4 by 5 equal to AE by EC, equation number 6. Hence here triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on the same base DE. Once look at the figure. So that is a base. Parallel line is DE and between two parallels BE, BC and DE. Area of triangle BDE equal to area of triangle CD, equation number 7. So equations 3, 6, 7 we have AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Okay children, hence prove that it is a statement. Okay children. Okay, next one, given the some examples, I explain the examples. Listen carefully. Okay, so in triangle ABC, DE parallel BC and AD by DB equal to 3 by 5, AC equal to 5.6. Find the AE. Okay. Here given that diagram, also given that triangle ABC. I draw the diagram. So maintenance should be solution, given that each and everything. So ABC, I have to take the ABC triangle and AD DE parallel BC means DE line. I draw the construction of DE line and AD equal to 3 units, DB equal to 3 units, AC equal to 5.6 units. So then you find the AE and EC measurements. Okay. So by using basic proportionality theorem. What is the basic proportionality theorem? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Here AB equal to AD plus DB, AC equal to AE plus EC. Okay. Here write AC equal to AC minus AE equal to EC. Then you sum here. AD by DB equal to AE by EC. AD by DB means given that 3 by 5 is equal to AE by AC minus AE. Then I do the cross multiplication. 3 into AC minus AE equal to 5 into AE. 3, the multiplication of inside 3AC minus 3AE equal to 5AE. 3AC equal to 5AE. 3AC equal to 5AE plus 3AE. 3AC already given that 5.6 equal to 8AE. 16.8 equal to 8E. Multiplication that 3 6 are 18. 3 5 are 15. 1 16.8 equal to 8E. AE equal to 16.8 by 8 2.1. Okay. 8 2s are 16. 8 1s are 8. Therefore AE equal to 2.1 units. Okay. Did you understand children? So that is the based on the basic